Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to transfer money from Binance to Payoneer. What you need to do is head over to this website called boomchange.com. From there, however much you want to withdraw, let's say we choose USDT and it's 100. After that, it's gonna load up and you want to put your Payoneer email and then enter your email address. Once you've done that and click on continue, this will load up to a new page where there will be a deposit address. What you need to do is go to Binance, and right over here you will have the option called withdraw. I don't have my account verified, so I don't have it, but let me show you deposit as an example, and then we're going to click on crypto. But remember, you're going to click on withdraw. After that, into coin, you're going to select USDT. Network will be the same as this one, TRC20, as you can see, and then deposit address will be what you find on the next. After that, you want to click on submit, and once you've done, you want to click on I have paid in this page, and it's gonna take probably an hour, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.